What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another photo editing tutorial. This time it's going to be in Photoshop. So my last two photo editing tutorials were in Lightroom, and in this video I want to show what I do in Photoshop, how to easily remove objects from a photo. So this technique I'm going to show in Photoshop is a really simple and easy way to remove objects, and it probably only takes about 30 seconds to do. So Photoshop is a very powerful tool, and I'm still getting used to it. I'm not as proficient in Photoshop as I am in Lightroom, but the more that I use it, the more efficiencies and the more techniques that I happen to find. So with this technique that I'm about to show in this video, I hope that I break it down as simple as possible for you guys to pick it up so you can learn right away and learn how to remove objects with a couple clicks of a mouse. Believe me, it took me a very long time to try to find out this method. I pretty much just played around with a lot of the settings, a lot of the tools until I found something that worked for me. So if you're new to my channel or this is the first time they're seeing my face, go ahead and check me out on my social media links. I'll go ahead and link all of them down in the description below so you can see more of my work on my other platforms. Before we get started here, I just want to give a big shout out to my boy Adam with his red Ferrari 458 that I use in this tutorial here. Obviously a red Ferrari, you cannot go wrong with that. And a 458, that V8, you cannot go wrong with that car either. So go ahead and check him out on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link his profile in the description below as well. Alright, so with all that being said, I don't want to talk too much here. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer right over there and let's get to editing. Alright, so here's my final edited photo of this Ferrari here in Lightroom. And what we're going to do next is we're going to get rid of this pole right here. So everything looks pretty clean in this photo except for this pole that's sticking out from the top of the car. It looks like it has a huge antenna or something. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and put this into Photoshop and get rid of this pole in a super easy way. So I'll go up here to Photo and then edit in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, now that we're here in Photoshop, I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of the background layer here. So I'm going to duplicate layer, boom. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either use the lasso tool, which is already selected here, or you can use the pen tool down here. I'm going to go ahead and use the lasso tool since it's already selected. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to trace around this pole right here. And now I'm going to go up here to edit, fill, and this is very important. Once this fill window comes up, you want to make sure that it's on content aware and hit OK. And it's as if nothing was even there. Let's go ahead and zoom out. And now it looks much cleaner without that pole in here. So I'll go ahead and hide this copy with the pole, without the pole. And that took what, like 30 seconds to get rid of? Pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it with the other way, with the pen tool. So I'll go ahead and delete this. Alright, so I'll make another copy of the background. I'll select the pen tool here. Go ahead and zoom back in. And I'm just gonna trace around the pole here with the pen tool to make my selection. Right click, make selection, and hit OK. And then same thing, go up to edit, fill, make sure that's on content aware. And there it is, gone. Like magic. So without, and then with. Big difference, makes this photo look so much better. And there it is. Both of those methods literally took like 30 seconds. Super easy, super simple ways to get rid of objects in Photoshop. So there we have it. We removed that pole from the photo and now it looks so much better and so much cleaner by only using two tools in Photoshop, the pen tool and the lasso tool. So I hope this video helped you guys out and hope that you guys learned something out of it. If you guys have any other questions about Photoshop or about Lightroom, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Or if you guys have any other suggestions about editing tutorials or photography tutorials, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Or go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram if you have any other further questions. I'd love to help you guys out in any way possible. So thank you for tuning in on another photo editing tutorial and hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you.